we're facing a number of issues when it comes to the commercialization of these therapies. The pipeline is rich and exciting, and we've done a fantastic job in concert with our regulators of developing expedited approval pathways. But a few challenges remain. A number of them, which will be focused on in the course of the conference, surround manufacturing and CMC issues. How do we dovetail the ability to get an expedited approval designation with the technical challenges involved in manufacturing and CMC regulatory requirements? So there'll be a couple of sessions on that topic. We have a track this year on challenges facing folks working in Europe. So what do we see as the regulatory outlook in Europe, as well as what are some of the key commercialization challenges in Europe? In addition, it remains probably the number one issue in our sector to resolve and think about the reimbursement models available to these therapies, and how do we get payers to absorb these phenomenal products in a one-time way. In other words, we have challenges because these therapies may be one and done and curative, but that means that rather than being paid for over a long period of time, the cost and the treatment may be one time. And that's a different model than a lot of payers have had before. And there are a number of both public policy and other practical issues that need to be addressed for us to get these products to patients. So those are some of the themes that we'll be talking about over the course of Mesa.